Hello, welcome RM Touch Network Consultant. In this video, I will show you how to create admin users in firewall and how to create different admin users in FortiGate firewall. So, and how to give every user it is permission that is suitable. So, and to create an administrator, user administrator, so click to systems and go to administrator. Click create. So and rename manager, enter the password and then confirm the password. Give the permission power for this manager. You can give super admin, you can give proof admin, you can give super admin read only. So if we give a super admin, it means it has a full permission. So we will select a super admin and then click OK. So we will log in into manager, click to admin and log out. So log in the manager and click login. Okay, come to system and come to admin profile. So come to super admin and then click view. As you see in here, the super admin permission is a full permission. You cannot change anything and you cannot add anything. So it has a full powerful permission. So in our next step, we will create another admin user. Its name is called test. So how to create? Come to system and go to administrators. Click create and go to administrator. And then write test and the password and confirm the password. In our first manager, we give a super admin that has a full power, but in this test user, admin user, we will give proof admin and then click OK. Click save. Okay, and then we will log in testy. Click to and then log out. Come to testy and come to login and okay, remind me later. Don't show. Okay, so come to system, go to admin profiles. So click to proof admin and then edit. In this proof admin, you can write none or only read only, or you can allow only read and write. So the difference between is that. So I think that's enough for the understanding creating different administration users in FortiGate firewall. Thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video.